Yes, this is a bog bag and it is filled with Scrub Daddy products. Hi, it's Janet. I got this bag for Christmas from my mom. Thank you, Mom. And it is called a bog bag. Prior to getting this as a gift, I had some recognition of this brand. I had seen a photo of some young women on a golf course with smaller versions of this bag, and they were using it as a golf day purse. Now, I don't golf. I'm not very outdoorsy, and I don't really spend a lot of time at the beach, even though I do live in Florida. So I thought this was a really cool gift. It sort of looks like a croc shoe, like for real. It's made of some very lightweight material, and it has holes in it, so you can, if it gets water inside, I guess the water can drain out. I've noticed a lot of accessories for this bag. It does come in several different sizes. I will link it below. I do not know how much really these bags cost because I didn't buy it, but I'm trying to figure out what to do with this bag. I love the pink color though. And the handles do kind of twist around and stuff. And from what I understand, you can get a lot of accessories that will fit, kind of plug into these holes here. So I thought this is a really cool idea. The bottom of the bag sort of resembles like a tire. So I think that's interesting. So it's got some traction, if you're in the sand or if you're at a soccer game. I'm not really ever going to soccer games, but I could if I wanted to. So right now I'm using it as storage for Scrub Daddies, which by the way, I'm a huge fan of. So this is also, I guess, sort of a semi-Scrub Daddy haul, which I kind of wanted to do, but I just didn't get around to. So I got a few of these cool variety packs from the Scrub Daddy website. This is actually called the Scrub Mommy, and one side is the Scrub Daddy material, and then the other side is more of a regular sponge. I also got these summer edition Scrub Daddies, and I got my mom a Christmas themed one for the holidays. I also got this Scrub Daddy sink caddy because I'm never really sure where to put my Scrub Daddy. And then I also got a bunch of these really cool Scrub Daddy damp dusters. By the way, I am so bummed. I love the Clorox Triple Action dust wipes. And from what I understand, the material used to make them is also used to make masks. So I haven't been able to get any in 3 years. And I'm still very upset about this. So I ordered the damp dusters, hoping they would be kind of a substitute for my Clorox Triple Action dust wipes. They're actually pretty good so far. I did try them out. So what you do with these is you dampen them, wipe down whatever your surface you're trying to dust, and then you can rinse it off, and you can use this a bunch of times. So I ordered a few of these. I know this video is getting way off track, but whatever. I didn't realize you could order Scrub Daddy products on their just regular website. So I did that, and I was very happy about my purchase. So I got a bunch of stuff. I got some gifts. All right, so I'm going to set these aside because I know this doesn't really have to do with the bog bag. By the way, none of this is sponsored, obviously, because I don't think either brand would be yeah, I'm on board with this video concept, but hey, whatever. So the bag I got, I'll show you kind of a close-up here. So it's basically kind of a big rectangle. It's a bit of a deep bag, and it's got, it's just made of this poly whatever material, I'm not even sure. All right, so this one is called the Original Bog Bag, and it came with this little accessory bag. So, okay, so you can pop this in and out, from what I understand. All right, here we go. So you can switch out the bags you get. My mom kept mentioning, I think she wanted me to order this, I don't know, but she kept mentioning that you could get a drink holder for the outside of the bag. I think this, if you are a mom, I do think this would be a great mom bag for days out with the kids. I don't have any kids, so again, that's not really applicable, but hey, that's cool. So you can move the placement of this little accessory bag. I've also seen people on Etsy selling bag charms for these and other accessories. I think they're really cute. Okay, so let me see if I can get this to pop back in. Okay, here we go. That's not too bad. All right, so it came with this little accessory bag. So I think that's the thing, because this is kind of an open bag and because it's got the holes in it, you really do need anything that you put inside to be contained. It needs to be either pretty large, If I put a couple 2 liters of soda in here, I wouldn't really need like an organizer for that. But if you do want to put like smaller stuff in there, you probably want it to be in like a pouch or another container or a bag or something like that. But again, I like this bag because it's obviously going to be very easy to clean. It seems pretty sturdy, so that's a plus. Here's the bottom. But I'm just kind of a little unsure of how I'm going to be using this bag. So let me know if you're someone in my situation, you work from home, you don't really go to the beach, you don't have any kids. What else can I do with this bag? I think this would be a great like reusable shopping bag, or like if you're going to, I shop at Aldi sometimes, and Aldi's you have to buy the bags, so you could use that. I could also use this if I'm going to IKEA and buying some stuff, because that's another store that you have to buy bags for. If you have any hints or tips or any sort of like hacks for the bog bag, I would love to hear it, because I'm excited about this, but I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with it. So if you have any really helpful suggestions, let me know. I do think it's cute. It is like pretty, like it's not heavy. Let me try to put this on my shoulder. I'll show you here. Okay, and a little rubber piece like fell out. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so here it is like on my shoulder. I know this looks really awkward, but hey, it is what it is. But it's pretty lightweight. It is kind of a thick bag. Like this, I would say this is about a 1/4 inch thick of this like kind of rubbery plastic material. Again, it's like the same stuff that Crocs are made of. And I don't even own any Crocs, but I do like bags. So, and I like pink. So I was really excited to get this for Christmas, but I need some help from you to figure out how to best utilize this bog bag. So let me know. Don't be shy. Let me know down below in the comments. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out some of my other handbag and just random videos here. We have a lot of fun. I know this channel's been kind of all over the place, but I hope you found this kind of a fun video. I'll see you again in the next one.